And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Temperature-wise, we're going to be on a roller coaster ride here the next 7 days. Let's take a look. Highs tomorrow will be in the mid-30s. We'll drop down into the teens for Wednesday and Thursday, and then 30s and even some 40s will push back in as we head through next weekend. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that range from the mid-20s across the north to the mid-30s across the south. It is still 36 degrees in Fond du Lac, and overall, it was a mild day across northeast Wisconsin. Take a look at those high temperatures, up to 39 in Wapaka. We had 36 in Appleton, and the high temperature in Sturgeon Bay was 35 degrees, but it was even warmer to our south. A taste of spring here in February across parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri, where high temperatures were in the mid-50s and lower 60s. Meanwhile, off to the north, it is much colder, and right along that battleground, we're going to be watching a storm develop and move as we head through the next 24 hours. Right now, it's in a couple of pieces, but the main piece is developing here across northern Kansas, and this system is going to be swinging off towards the north and east. And this is going to be a big storm, but it's coming together kind of late for us to have a huge impact from it. Now, as you take a look at Storm Shield radar, you can see we've got quiet conditions across Wisconsin, Illinois, and Iowa, but thunderstorms are expected to rapidly develop here over the next several hours, and then some of that activity, mainly in the form of showers, will shift north for later on tonight into tomorrow morning. We have freezing rain advisories now up for just about the entire viewing area as we head through the night and into tomorrow for the threat of some icing. Skycast shows quiet weather for the rest of the evening, but once we get past midnight, we're going to watch an area of showers, rain, and freezing rain showers develop across the south. That will then move north as we head through the morning hours. You can see we've got a wintry mix here. Our local high-res computer forecast model, also known as Skycast, is showing mainly rain here, but temperatures are going to be pretty close to freezing, probably lower to mid-30s, and that's why we have that threat for some freezing rain, and then probably mainly rain as we head into the early afternoon. Meanwhile, across the far north, we're going to be looking at some snow, and we could see enough snow that you would have to shovel, especially northern Marinette County into central and northern Menominee County, Michigan. Some spots could see 2 to 4 inches with higher amounts as you head towards Marquette. Now, on the backside of this storm, once again, it's a strong storm. We're going to see some gusty winds as we head into tomorrow night. These wind gusts are so extreme here that they're actually off the chart. We're going to have winds gusting between 30, possibly 40 miles per hour by tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. And that northwest wind is going to bring much colder air back into northeast Wisconsin. By Wednesday, high temperatures will be about 20 to 25 degrees colder than what we're going to see tomorrow afternoon. And those gusty winds will continue throughout the day on Wednesday, so wind chills will be mainly in the single digits. Tonight, look for cloudy skies with a wintry mix developing late. Temperatures holding steady initially and then climbing as we head towards daybreak. Tomorrow, low clouds and fog, otherwise a wintry mix, some rain, sleet, freezing rain, a little bit of snow, especially north of Green Bay. We quiet down on Wednesday besides the colder air coming in. Much colder weather continues into Thursday, a high around 12. Another system on Friday could bring us some light snow or a wintry mix, and then we'll see warmer weather as we head into the weekend and early next week with highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s.
This freezing rain is something I don't think anybody wants.
No.
No snow.
There's no benefit from it. There's no good reason. It's like mosquitoes.
The snow that we have just icy. It's
yes,
not good.
yes. Be careful later on tonight into tomorrow morning. The roads could be hazardous.
All right. Thanks, Cameron.
Yep.
Now let's take a look at what you'll see tonight at 6 o'clock. Stacey Gretson joins us in the newsroom with what we're working on. Stacey.